Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Hey, it may be 32 degrees here in Elkhart, Indiana, and a little bit of snow coming down, as you can see, but it's nice and warm inside our factory. Hey, if you want to come and visit us, we would love to have you. You can get a personalized tour just for you to see how our luxury fifth wheels are built from chassis all the way up to finishing. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678, or you can schedule an appointment on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. You just go to the contact, you'll see visit. That's all you got to do. Schedule appointment, show up, and see some smiling faces and some warm hearts. Have a great day.